and welcome. Today's video we're going to be unboxing our October-November AIA or American Influencer Beauty Bundle box. This is a subscription and you guys, I love it. It's bi-monthly. We'll get into all the information here in a second, but if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is RHONDA and over here, as always, we embrace the hot mess, and it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. So sit back, relax, enjoy the unboxing. I do a lot of makeup reviews over here, unboxings, get ready with me, all different kinds of things. I upload pretty much 7 days a week, it seems like, over here, Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern time, and then on the weekends sometimes, Saturday and Sunday, I upload about 9 p.m. and then sometimes there's even extra videos, so there's always something going on. Plus I have a second channel, HOTMESSMOMMA Vlogs, where it's 10 times of random of me talking and doing things around the house in my PJs, being cozy. So there's that. So anyways guys, let's go ahead and jump on in to the unboxing. Okay guys, so like I said, this is a bi-monthly subscription. It is $34 a month. Code RHONDA will save you 10% on your first box. That is not an affiliate code or anything like that. It's just a way for you guys to save a little money, because you know that's what I'm all about. So like I said, $34, and you will receive at least $100 worth of goodies in here, and it is bi-monthly. And a little bit about the AIA Beauty Bundle is this is influencer based. So a lot of the times it will be like an influencer kind of like takeover type of dealio. We've seen Guy Tang in here, we've seen Mana Kadar in here, we've seen Hank and Henry. So let's go ahead and jump on into this one. Oh my gosh, it's Lala from Vanderpump Rules. So this one is the Give Them Lala Beauty, and this is all Lala products, or Lala Beauty products. So on this card we've got a little information about Lala and her line, as well as all the information on the back as far as what you are receiving in this box, again for $34. And last box I want to say was all Pure Lease as well, guys. So these boxes, I just get so excited. Okay, this is perfect. Hello Rona. So the first item I see in here is the American Beauty or American Influencer Beauty Bundle. This is a mask. So I keep telling myself, like, just document as much as you can. We can look back in a couple years from now and be like, do you remember what we went through in 2020? Yeah, I have to say though, I really appreciate when brands put things like this in our boxes, because at this point, I mean, we need all the masks we can get. So I really appreciate that. This does have a $12 retail value. It's the AIA mask. It's cotton mask. It fits comfortably and snug on the face, providing durable protection to the face. So I like that, and like I said, definitely washable as well. Has a nice stretch to it, so I like that. Okay, so the next item I see in here, we've got 4 of them, so you know your girl's gonna be swatching. It's the Give Them Lala Beauty, and it looks like these are all some sort of like liquid lipsticks. Let's see here. Ooh, this is pretty. So this is what the component looks like. It's a nice like frosted type of glass. Let's swatch it. So this is a really pretty like peachy nude color. Now this color is not going to be for everybody, so here's the dealio, guys. One thing that I really like to do with this stuff is do like an ombre type of look, like so, and you can lighten up the center. And if you put like a really dark type of lipstick on as well, which I was feeling like mine was a little on the dark side, just go ahead and lighten things up with these kind of liquid lipsticks, whatever they are called. This is in the shade Send Nudes, and then the next one is in the shade Wet. Oh, this is like a gloss. Okay, look how pretty. Or maybe it's a lip oil. There's a scent, I think. Oh yeah, it's a gloss. I like that. It's just a really pretty clear gloss. The next is, oh, does it say it on all of them? Oh, it sure does. On this side, Lala Cushion Cream Lipstick, and then the other side is Send Nude. This one is the Lala Lip Quencher. Other side said Wet. This is the Lala Hydra Gloss, and this shade is Trippin'. Ooh, this is a really dark color. So this is gonna be really like, oh, it's not as dark as I was expecting actually. That's actually really, really pretty. But again, you could take the Send Nudes and dab it right into the center and get a really pretty like ombre'd out lip, and then add a little bit of that lip gloss on there, and it would be exactly like what she wears a lot. So I really like these colors. They're not as scary as I thought. The next one is a Hydra Matte, and it is in the shade I Love You. Ooh, that's fun. Scares me, but it's fun. That is so pretty though. Like, I love these shades so much, and this is outside my comfort zone, but I'm gonna do it. Not with this eye look, but stay tuned. You'll see this over my Instagram. Like, how pretty is that? That is really pretty, and I like the component. I like that frosted look. It like dresses it up or something. So the last item I see in here looks to be a palette. It's called the Pretty Palette, and this is what it looks like. Oh my, that is so my shades. This is gorgeous. This is so pretty. Oh yes, I feel like this one could be used as a highlight, like on your cheeks. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna just be a swatching queen. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, this is really pretty. Like I said, follow me over on Instagram because I will definitely be creating a look with this. I love this. This is like the perfect everyday palette where you can just put anything on and it's going to come out perfect. It's just a really pretty, you don't have to think or put too much thought into it. You just slap on a couple colors and it's going to look gorgeous. They're swatching beautifully. I know swatches don't tell the full story, but I love the way they feel. You know how you can just kind of get an idea off of just feeling some of the products? They have a really nice creamy feel to them, and I can't wait to put these shades on. And I feel like too, think about it guys, you could use these shades as a blush. So multitask your product for sure. I think that this palette is absolutely gorgeous. Not only you're going to be able to wear this on your eyes, but you're going to be able to use some of these shades as highlighters, blushers. I mean, you could even potentially use this to brighten up the under eye area. So always think about that kind of stuff when you're buying your makeup or playing around in makeup. You guys know I love to multitask things. By the way, there is a mirror in here. It is in like your standard type of cardboard packaging. If you guys are interested as far as ingredients go, there is talc in here. It does have a 12-month shelf life, and it does say that it is cruelty free. You do get 36 grams. It's 1.27 ounces as well. So I think this is absolutely beautiful. I love the shades of everything. It's definitely like well within my comfort zone, and I feel like this lip shade right here is definitely outside. But you think about it, simple, beautiful, neutral type of eye with this fun lip color. That would be beautiful. Absolutely, absolutely beautiful. So as far as this box goes, like I said, it is $34. It is not monthly, it is bi-monthly. This is the October and November box. If you use code RHONDA, like I said, it's not an affiliate code, but it will save you 10% off your first box. And if you sign up now, this is the box you will receive, and I'm happy with it. I mean, I definitely feel like you're getting your $34 worth of everything in here, all these goodies. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Like I said, follow me over on Instagram because I will be creating a look. And you know what, guys? I'm gonna go outside my comfort zone, and I'm gonna wear that. I'm gonna wear that shade on my lips. I'm gonna show you guys how to do the perfect neutral eye with a fun Pop of Color lip. So follow me over there. Don't forget there is a 30K giveaway going on my channel right now. I will have it linked in the description box down below for you guys. You have to go over to that video in order to enter into the giveaway. And let me know you guys' thoughts down below on the AIA beauty box. I think this was a really good box. I really like it. I like the fact that our last box was by Purely, so we got a lot of skincare type of items. This one, they brought it back with the makeup. Like I said, we see Guy Tang in here and Mana Kadar. So there is a great boxes, influencers that are filling these boxes up, and I am pretty excited about it. So anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.